Hello at 5:30. I hope that you have enjoyed the first half of the course. We have officially made it through the first four modules. Some of you may have a little bit of responding to do on module 4 left yet, but the deadline isn't until midnight tonight. I'm talking on a Sunday here. But looking forward to starting the next four modules. You know that there will be a shift. You'll notice that in the next four, well, there'll be some more outside assignments for each of the weeks coming up. I've been kind of hinting at that as we have been going forward here. But you've hopefully got a good base of information from doing a lot of the course reading about political intelligence and school community relations, that now you can move forward and do some applying of that information. So let's check out Module 5, which we will start this week, Connecting with Families. This week's essential question: what can I learn about connecting with families? How is that important? And why is that important as a school leader? The required readings and resources are linked on here as well. Powerful Partnerships, chapters 1 and 2, which is linked right here. Beyond the Bake Sale, chapters 1 and 3, and the survey. Please do take that survey. It'd be interesting for you to see how does your school apply and what are the strengths that you currently have. Just clicking on these will get you the chapters that you need to see as far as the chapters to read. Make sure you check through those. They will be helpful for you later on as well. Supplemental reading, some links here for you to check out if you would like to. Totally up to you. They are your supplemental reading for the week. The discussion board. What did you learn from the required reading in this module? Comment on the reading, including things you learned, things you wondered, things you questioned. Make sure you have an APA formatted reference in your response. Make sure that you respond by Wednesday at midnight and respond to 2 other people by Sunday at midnight. In our first assignment, 5.2, checking out early childhood classroom. In order to effectively plan for the transition of young children and their families into your school, you should really experience a early childhood classroom and connect it. So this will have you doing that, checking out an early childhood classroom, and then thinking through how does it work to have a child successfully transition from early childhood education to kindergarten. You're going to use the Word template for this assignment. Basically, you'll download it, fill in your information, and then upload it onto your assignment. The entire plan should be about 3 to 4 pages, single-spaced, and this is going to outline what you need to do. So just read through these different sections. Here's the Word document that you download, and we will open that up. And you probably need to click Enable Editing. And I just have this exactly here for your assignment, what you need to do. Basically, put your name on it, fill in about how long each one says, about a page for this one, about a page for this one, and then about a page for this one. So we're thinking 3 pages. Fill in the sections and then re-upload it as your assignment. Trying to keep it simple for you, pretty easy to follow. The thinking behind it is more important to me than formatting the document, so I wanted to include that for you. And then you're going to upload it to this assignment. Questions, anyone, is the spot to put any questions that you might have for this week. All right, so we're checking out how we connecting with families, how do we get early childhood to kindergarten, some reading, and then exploring an early childhood classroom. I look forward to reading the experiences that you have there. And again, if you have any questions, remember I'm just an email away, and I'm very happy to help. Have a great week, everybody.